inside the soft soul. The seed was small, brown and sleepy, deep under the soil. It waited for something magical. Water, warmth, and love. Soon the rains come, the sun shines bright. Slowly the seed cracked open and a little green shoot peeked out. Hello world, whispered the tiny spot. It was full of dreams. Every day the little spot dashed toward the sunlight. Its baby leaf danced with the wind. Sometimes birds come and sing around. Sometimes the rain tickled its leaf. Slowly it grew stiller and strong. Season passed. Summer, autumn, winter, spring. Again and again the little plant grew into a small tree. Wow, I am growing! The young tree said happily. Years went by. The mango tree became tall and wide. Children loved to play under its cool shade. The tree gave them fresh air, clean breeze, and lot of happiness. So sweet, they said. The mango tree felt proud. I am giving food, joy, and love to everyone. Thanks for watching. Please like and share video and don't forget to subscribe.